Winter Warmers is a brand new Christmas collection from our friends at Hunkydory. Now I want to show you first what you're going to get idea-wise. So the instruction sheet comes with you. Well, it's actually more of an idea sheet. So as I just show this to you, there are no instructions, but there are lots of ideas, and that's wonderful. Now, there are 10 sheets of foiled die cuts. Altogether, there are 125. Now, this is looking the 12 days of Christmas, as you can see. There's also a foiled piece of adorable scoreable that matches, as well as a printed piece of adorable scoreable that also matches. So that all comes together. Here we have the Noel stockings. Now this is a paper toll style. So you see all of these pieces. Now they can go right on top. You foam tape them together, or you can use some of these and kind of get a couple of cards out of this. So that's a nice way to go. Again, there is a foiled adorable scoreable and a printed one. Here we have kids looking for the magic of Christmas, peeking up that chimney. Really, really cute. And as you can see, the foiled adorable scoreable, same artwork, and then a printed one. Here we have warmest wishes with some of our feathered friends. Merry Christmas to you. Isn't that pretty? I love the nested circles or nested frames because you get several of them. And then, oh, isn't this pretty? A foiled piece with some of those birds, and then an all-over pattern of the adorable scoreable. Here's Santa in a lettered Santa. I hope Santa brings you everything you wish for. Have a very Merry Christmas. And then a foiled piece. And that's kind of nice because some of these are a little more generic, and that just extends out your crafting abilities. And there's Santa on a printed one. We've got the gifts of Christmas underneath that lovely tree, and a foiled piece showing those presents, as well as the full tree and a printed adorable scoreable. Festive florals, this is titled. Love that shape, just oh so pretty. This one is nested, all with the gold foiling, and then we've got this sheet with the foiling, and another one with the printed. And here we've got Eat, Drink, and Be Merry. Okay, this could even almost work for Thanksgiving too, couldn't it? And then we have one that is foiled, you can see, and then another that is printed. And then we have the Angel of Peace, very kind of folk art looking. And then we have the foiled adorable scoreable, as you can see there with the foiled angel. And then a printed one with the dove, very nice. And then the next to the last one is Trip to Toyland. There you go. Christmas wishes are being made. And then a foiled piece, really nice. There we go. And then a printed piece. So this is what our Winter Warmers is all about. As I said, 125 foiled die cuts, 10 printed adorable scoreable, 10 foiled adorable scoreable. All of this. Now, there are 4 Christmas sets, and there's also a magazine. So if you decide you just have to have all of them and you really want that magazine, there is a Christmas Hunkydory Bonanza special. You'll see it at paperwishes.com.